Hey guys, we got this MOSISO Sling backpack. It's a multi-purpose crossbody shoulder bag for travel, hiking, or as a day pack. So let's open this up and show you its features. So there are many pockets for the accessories as I can see it here. You can put in the small stuff. Also, your some car keys or small gadgets here. The logo thing here. The color and everything looks good. The fabric stitching, everything looks fine. This small thing you can put your headphones from here if you want to, and then small pocket to store things here. So the mobile, tablet, headphones, small cups, bottles, water. So this is the big pocket that can hold up to 10.1 or some inches things here. The waterproof thing inside and the adjustable strap. You can also use it in a different directions. It's a waterproof, breathable, sturdy hook, and then the way you can do. So you can adjust and take this out and put it in a different way and the different side. So there are like different adjustment that you can use. Also there is a the mesh thing for the water bottles and stuff. So I'm putting a tablet here, the water bottle on the side, just using the zipper. So I just put in an iPad, and then also adjust the things here, put this close up the water bottle, and I can just put it the way I want. So you can use it in a way that is more comfortable to you. It's not hard and fast rule. You can also adjust like this knob on the side or on the other side. So there is also a corner knob on the top of it, so you can use like the way you want. So it's pretty much lightweight and easy to carry with a waterproof and breathable fabric, and you can use it on different styles you want. So crossbody, simple, side, front, back, anywhere you want to use it. It's pretty handy and good to take to any travel or any small work or stuff. If you want to be more secure, or I like sometimes this way, but of course you can change or you can choose the way you want to use it for. Put in the small glasses and